Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm upcycling an old t-shirt into a new look. And let's get going. This comfy, striped t-shirt no longer sparked joy, so I decided to remake it instead of letting it sit unused. First, we remove the sleeves. Carefully cut along the existing sleeve seam. Remember to save these sleeves? They're not trash, they're our future straps. Here's the look without sleeves. Now, remove the neckline. Now, shape one shoulder with a deep, open cut from the neckline extending down towards the armpit. On the other side, you'll want a more conventional armhole, so trim less. Now, crop the blouse to your preferred length. I made my back slightly shorter. Let's begin sewing. Pin the shoulders and sew with a 1.5 cm seam allowance. And overlock with zigzag to avoid fraying. Next, carefully fold and press the raw edges of the neckline and armholes inward. Make sure you pin them. Then stitch all around. And this is how it should look. Remember those sleeves we cut earlier? Now cut two rectangles to create your straps. Time to rip the sleeve stitches. Then fold and sew to create the strap. Attach the straps to the shorter shoulder side of your top. This will be the off-shoulder side, securing one in front and one in back. And sew. Almost done. Finally, it's time to hem. Fold over the raw edges of the bottom and then stitch them down. And there you have it. From a basic t-shirt to a custom designed, off-the-shoulder crop top. This project truly shows that you can do anything with your old clothes, giving them a brand new life. It's not just about fashion, it's about being sustainability focused, reducing waste, and making something uniquely yours. I hope you're inspired to try it too. See you next time with another exciting video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more upcycling projects, and hit that notification bell.